There are 5 iterations. There are 5 iterations. So nakabutang na rin for the first building, you get 100%. So 500k sure na ka. Sa second building, how much do you get? For the second building, it says here it's 50% of the RPF of the first building or the building type. So RPF for the second building is 250. 250k. 250k. Sige, expand na to. So that's 500k times 50%. That gives you 250,000. Next, for the third building, pila? 40% of the RPF of the building type. So RPF is 500k times 40%. Pila na? That's 200. Tama? For the fourth and fifth building, pila?
30%.
That's RPF equal to 500k times 30%.
150.
That's 150. 150k. Dalawa sila. 3 and 4.
Yeah.
So that's 2 times 2 because it's third and fourth, that's 300. So you total all of this, kani, and kani. How much do you get?
1.2.
Sila? Total RPF is 500, 750, 950 plus 3.
1.25.
1.25? It's 1.25 million. Okay, for 5 iterations of the
Sir, kung mag-6 siya, sir, mga times 3.
times 3. And succeeding, naka-end ka sa 30%. Okay, so nakuha pag repetitive construction. So any building from groups 1, 2, and 3 na repetitive construction, ani mag-compute. Okay?
Sir, sa actual na sir, sino magkuhan niya? Yung accountant manager or...
Ikaw, dapat alam mo din kung ano, magkano. Pero, take note, if it's repetitive construction, dapat wala kang i-change na anything sa inyong plan. Not a single thing. Okay, dapat i-implement the plan as is. Pag naka-modify sa plan, that's not repetitive construction. So that's new construction.
Maski gamay lang, sir. Like,
Masking gamay lang.
iirog lang gamay.
Yes, masking gamay lang. Any adjustments, bago na siya. Okay? So, kanong question ni Simon ganina is under group 7, housing projects. Okay? So, housing project, residences is under group 4. It's under group 4. So, if it's under group 4 and it's repetitive, that makes it a housing project. Gets? So, take note of this table. For the first house, that's 10% of the PCC, which is the standard for group 4 projects. Okay, for DAEDS and 6% for DADS. For iterations 2 to 10, that's fee for 1 unit plus 50% of the RPF for each additional unit. And so on and so forth. So that's fee for 10 units plus 40, fee for 30 units plus 25, and fee for 50 units plus 15% of RPF. So on and so forth. So nga na siya. Okay, so example. Project type, house, 1 plan, 25 implementations, PCC is 1 million. Okay, so compute na to. Illustrate, let's illustrate.
Sir, ang PCC na 1 MVA, sir, kaya ano lang na? Sa single unit?
Sa isa ka unit na. Okay? Sige daw, try ninyo. 1 million, this is group 7. Ay, group 40i, pero repetitive, so it's group 7. Iterations, there's 25. And it's the end. Okay. So, balik na sa table. For the first house, let's compute. That's 1 million. That's 1 million times 10% pila. You get 100,000. 100K. For houses 2 to 10, how much will you get? That's 50% RPF. So, pila ka units ang 2 to 10? That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, there are 9 units.
9 times 50%.
9 times 50% of 100K. Units 2 to 10.
Pero meron din siyang 100K plus.
Yes, pero later na natin yan siya i-add on. Para ano? 9 times 100K times 50%.
450.
It's 450. Ang RPF mo for 2 to 10. Now for 11 to 25, pila na ka-unit?
40%.
11 to 25. 25 minus 11 plus 1. How many units?
15.
15. So there's 15 units times 100K times 40%. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
600K.
600K. And then you total everything. How much?
1,050,000.
The total RPF is 550 plus 600. 150.
1 million,
1.15 million. That's how much you get for a housing structure. Dahil ito.
So, it's 60%.
60% yan papunta sa architect. 40% goes to the engineer.
59.
Okay, so na-gets? That's how we compute for repetitive construction and housing developments. Take note na for larger housing developments, for one housing type lang niya. And in larger housing developments, pila ka buo building typologies ang naa. So natay duplex, natay single attached, single detached, natay row house, natay townhouse. So nailahi na, if it's repetitive, and then daghan og mga like model A, model B, model C, mag-differ po na siya ang inyong iterations. Okay? Okay, yung computations. And then you just note on everything. Nakuha. So, excited na mag-compute. Ha? Next, extensive detailing. So, projects involving this. Look at the screen. So, kana sila, that's RTF is 15% of BCC or 15% of your cost of work. Why, sir? Why mahal? Why naging 15% na lang? Because gamay na lang ato ang gina-design and extensive detail siya. Like for example, kani. Example kana. Example kana. So, small project lang na siya compared to actual construction. Gamay na iyang cost of work compared to a building na from ground up. That's why, naga 15% ta. Niya, paspas ang iyang turnover of the cost of work. Okay, example. Ano ba example na? Example, project type, kani. Ipabuhat naging ana, di ba? And then the PCC is just 300K. And then your RPF is 15% of the PCC, so that gives you, that's just easy. 300 times 15.
45.
That's 45,000 for that. O, di ba? 45,000 ay yung fee for an element like this worth 300K. Alterations and additions. So alterations, renovations, rehabilitations, retrofit and expansion, additions to existing buildings belonging from groups 1 to 5, that is 150% of your RPF. Okay, so unsa ang meaning ana? If housing renovation, if balay, tapos gipa-renovate na ko ang balay, ang renovation works is at 1 million. Balik na dire 1 million. Tapos house, that's 10%. House, 10%. So, ang RPF na ko originally for the house is pila? 100K, di ba? Pero since renovation siya, dapat na ko'y 150% of this. So, kung renovation na siya, that's 100K times 150%. That gives me 150K. 150,000 for renovation works. Okay, that's 150% of the RPF of the building time. Siyempre, kung group 2 siya, lahigpod ang compute ni mo original RPF and multiply it by 150%. If it's renovation. Okay? Right. Another example, house renovation, the project cost is 700 for residential service clients. So RPF for group 4 is 10% of PCC. The 700K, 10% of PCC is 70K. And then RPF for renovation work, that's 150% of RPF. So 70 times 150%, that gives you 105K. And finally, the last group. When you are rendering advice, RPF shall be at least 1,000 per hour, subject to increase depending on the extent of coverage of service required and the location or the architectural rendering services. Consultation is 1,000 per hour. Okay? When rendering services an expert witness, the fee shall be at least 5,000 per